everyone, I'm Dr. Glenn Lang from Inline Family Chiropractic here in Walkerton, and we are covering different topics this month for our Women's Wellness Works event over the month. And today we have Barb Young here from Enjo, Canada, an expert in clean living and clean cleaning, I guess is the way to say that. And just to talk about chemical-free ways of cleaning your environment, whether it be a house or an office or a garage or whatever. There's lots of benefits to that. Quickly, I just want to cover though is that in our office, what we see is the main causes of people's problems is the number one cause is emotional stress, but a close second is chemical toxicity. And then lower down on the hierarchy is the physical things that we do. So most people want to blame their back problem on or their headaches on, well, I slept funny or I did this wrong or that wrong. Meanwhile, they forget about the argument they may have had with their spouse, or they were exposed to secondhand smoke for the day before, right? Or some other trigger that may have made that worse. Anyways, I know for a fact that chemical pollution is a serious health concern, and but that leads to complacency with a lot of people, and they think, well, what the heck, something's going to get me anyways. So the thing is, though, is that people need to understand is that if you minimize your exposure to these things, your body will last a lot longer, and you can put off or even prevent health problems down the road. So without saying any more, I'm just let Barb go ahead here and tell us what you got for us here today.
So I started using Enjo actually maybe a little more than 3 years ago, but I didn't use it very often because I didn't know much about it. However, since then, I now sell it, so I'm using it exclusively in my home. And the reason being, as I tell all of my clients, we have no control over the exterior, the outside. When we walk outside of our homes, the environment is loaded with chemicals, loaded with the things that we breathe. So are our homes, and that comes from the chemicals that we're using just to simply clean our houses, which is crazy. It doesn't make any sense to be spraying on things that could be possibly hurting us very badly, or even making us very, very sick. Right? So enter Enjo. It is a Austrian-made fiber that cleans pore deep. It's used only simply with water, and we wipe with wet and cold, and we dry behind with the dry, and it's as simple as that. It's a two-part system. We have a lot of product, but not millions of pieces, but lots of product to choose from to do various jobs. And I just can't say enough about it. My home has never been so clean. It's never felt so clean, and I don't use one single chemical to do anything.
Okay, very good. So thinking about this a little bit more, what about dishes? Do you still use dish soap?
We actually have a dish soap that is plant-based and very minimal in any kind of chemical actions at all. I can't say it's positively no chemical, because when you mix water with anything, it's a chemical reaction, apparently.
Right.
So, but it's lovely. You can use a bit of soap, absolutely. Some people still have trouble not using soap, but at least get with a gentler version of it. Right?
But as far as countertop surfaces and things
just
like
water.
that,
You're just using water. Even in
Awesome.
your bathrooms and where everyone feels is loaded with germs, simply water and the cloths is all you need to clean any germs and bacteria. Proven 6 times better quality job than anything and any product that you will ever use in your home.
Yeah.
And the facts are there. They're on the website, Enjo Canada website. Everything is there. It is amazing, and it's fast, simple, easy on your wallet, and superb for your health.
Yeah, awesome. I know that in our office we've been using these type of cloths on cleaning our surfaces for probably 4 or 5 years now, and so if someone comes in with a cold, we just wipe it down, and it's sanitary afterwards. It's quick, easy, and there's no fumes, there's no aroma, no pollution. There's been numerous articles over the years that have talked about indoor air pollution being 10 times more toxic than the air outside the home. And so it's a huge problem. Everything from your carpets to
paint on the walls.
Yes.
Everything.
They
Over 50% of our homes over 50% of the VOCs in our homes are caused by chemicals. Over
Yeah.
50.
Yeah.
That's crazy. We have control.
Yeah.
We can get rid of it.
Yeah, awesome.
We can minimize.
Awesome. Well, is there anything else you want to add? Oh, how do we get a hold of you?
I have a Facebook page, Barb Young, Enjo Canada. Also, just go on the Enjo Canada website. You can, find anybody there, find any information there. It's a fabulous product. Can't say enough. I wouldn't be selling it.
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for coming in
Thank
today.
you, Dr. Glenn.
Okay.
It's been great.